Journey of a Young Girl. 21 long years of my life, and I still don't know what freedom stands for. Every day I begin with myself and end with many new cages. I close my eyes to dream, and I dream but only of cages. Variety of cages, gold, silver, big and small, cages all around me. This is my story. Hi, I'm Konika, a graduate in political science, born in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra and brought up in UP. I was 3 when I came to Greater Noida, a city near the Indian capital of Delhi. I grew up as an ordinary kid with no extraordinary interest in politics. I was of the opinion that it was the only profession where one could try out their fortune without any relevant qualification or a skill set. But I never knew that this will have such great impact on my life and my career as well. I remember myself as an 8-year-old kid playing cricket in the street with my friends, 2 girls and 3 boys. This was my first encounter with the patriarchal society, or my first cage. When one of our neighbor asked us to play separately as girls were not meant to play cricket, that too with boys. An 8-year-old kid was placed in a cage called gender. I was talking torn, but I can't speak. I was quiet and calm because that is what I was supposed to be. No more skirts, no more streets. Girls don't shout, I have expectations to meet. It was 2012 when I loved my cage. I wanted to be within my range. People on road and candle march, however, began. This was the unusual 12th of December. Justice, justice, the crowd began. She was in huge pain. Someone from my clan. I turned 13 and accepted my chains just to feel safe, for the warmth of assurance and security. No more streets, no more lonely lanes. December of 2012 changed our lives and the freedom never returned. 2013 Delhi elections and the IAC movement preceding it. It showed me a ray of hope. There were chains around, but they were meant to be broken. I realized that civil and political actions can bring about change, media being a vital instrument. My curiosity persuaded me to choose political science as my subject of graduation, despite of the fact that I did my 12th in science. Gaining up the confidence and courage to break my chains, my years of graduation broadened my analysis skills. It broadened my horizon, gave me immense pleasure and understanding. It brushed up further my skills of research and problem solving. It gave me a new vision, a vision to look at situations and to deal with them. As Hobbes states that man is born free, however, I was born a woman. And everywhere is chains in freedom, but these chains are invisible. We fight for us, still have a long way to walk to an extraordinary success. This is not only my story, this is our story. Every Indian girl walking miles, breaking these cages of patriarchy for an extraordinary success. This is our story.